Hello friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we'll discuss how to shoot slow motion videos in Canon EOS R, or you can say slow-mo videos. You have multiple options to create slow motion videos. You can make in camera and off camera too. Off camera means, while using a third-party edition application like Premiere Pro and many more are there. But when you can do the same thing with your camera, why waste time editing the same video? Today in this video, we'll learn how you can record slow motion videos in a Canon EOS R camera, and what are the settings to be made while shooting a slow motion video. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive into the menu system of EOS R. As you can see right now, we are in shooting mode. We need to change the mode to video by pressing the mode dial on the top and then clicking the info button on the back of the camera for switching to video mode in EOS R. Now you are in the video shooting mode, and we'll go for manual video shooting mode. Now, go back to the menu system. As you can see, the first option we have in the first menu, movie recording quality, select the same. But before that, in the same menu, the last option you can see if the movie digital is, click over it by pressing the Q button on the back of the camera and disable this option. Now go back to the movie recording quality, and go to the high frame rate option. As of now, it is disabled. Click over it and enable it. Now, as you can see on the top, 1280 by 720 at 100 frames per second. This is your current resolution for the slow motion videos. Many cameras shoot at 120 fps. But in Canon EOS R, it's only available at 100 fps. Sad but true. That's all we have from Canon. That's it, you are all set for the slow motion video. Remember, your mic will turn off in this condition. Your image stabilization will be turned off. Now, as you can see in the EVF, it's mentioned 100 fps. That means you are ready to shoot slow motion videos in the camera itself. Now, when you are done shooting the slow motion, go back to the menu system, and navigate to the first menu we have changed, and disable the high frame rate option if you want to shoot in normal mode rather than slow motion. Now you are done. You can do normal recordings. I hope this video will help you understand how to shoot slow motion in EOS R. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you very soon.